what if there's no power lines involved and you wake up in the morning to something like this? What should a homeowner do?
Typically stay away from it. I mean,
Number one.
when you've got, in particular, that picture that you posted, when you've got a limb that has failed and is kind of all mangled on the ground, a lot of homeowners think, okay, I need to get my car out. That's priority one. I've got a little chainsaw. Let me go out and start cutting. And what they don't realize is so much of that wood is under extreme tension. And you can make, one small wrong move and the whole thing can shift. It can snap. It can cause, extreme issues. And that's why we've got to be so tedious when we go out and deal with those issues, so we don't put ourselves in harm's way and, cause damage to us or equipment. So that's kind of priority one. It's just, way to beat. Nothing's more important than your life. So, it doesn't have to be a big rush. Take your time. If you need to call the professionals, call us in so we can assess and kind of put together a game plan.
I like that. And what usually is the game plan? Would it be, obviously each tree is going to be different. So you're looking for cleanup, number one, and safe cleanup. And then what are we looking for on the tree to see if there is any damage? Maybe it's not something that a layman's eye could see, but what are some of the things that you guys are looking for?
I mean, typically you can, if it's a single limb that broke out, that can typically be corrected by, reducing the limb back to a lateral, or removing the limb in its entirety. But if you've got, especially a mature tree where a large section is broken out, that essentially exposed a flaw that was already there that just hadn't been visible before. So now you may see a lot more decay present to where it's like, okay, this tree is now an obvious hazard. We need to take steps to mitigate any future damage.